I'm starting a video here stood up because I'm going to be cleaning out this wardrobe and decluttering it. So I thought, why not film it? I'm probably just going to time lapse it and put some music and I'll voice over what I'm doing. So basically this is my winter wardrobe. It's mainly like all of the stuff that I don't wear anymore. It has got some clothes that I do wear, like it's got my Macau jacket, my leather jacket, stuff that I just isn't on season constantly, whereas that wardrobe there's like bodysuits and stuff I can wear all season. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. It just needs organising and put into like clothes. Like there's just so many random hangers in there. So I just thought you could declutter with me. What best to do? I'm also going to do like a full decluttering series of my whole room because while we're in lockdown, what better to do? So yeah, hope you're going to enjoy it. Quickly, I'm just going to speak about this swimming costume very quickly. While I'm cleaning this wardrobe out, I thought this is a perfect time. So this is from a brand I am an ambassador for. It's called Jade Boutique, and this swimming costume was obviously going to be brilliant for summer 2020, but obviously I won't be wearing it until I go hopefully on like my 18th holiday next year to Ibiza or something. So this is, I feel like it's about £14, but I've got a 25% discount code for you all, and it is Lilly Morris 25. So I'll put it up on the screen somewhere, and I'll put it, make sure I put it in the description box. My name is spelled with 2 L's, but the discount code is spelled with 1, so it's Lilly Morris 25, and you can get 25% off anything on their website. But I personally recommend this swimming costume. So if you are looking for a good swimming costume for 2020, if we can get on holidays in October, or 2021, I would definitely recommend to go on Jade Boutique. I'll leave a link in the description. There's so much you can get from there. All sorts of clothes, swimming costumes, bikinis, skirts, bottoms, tops, dresses. So yeah, this is all I've got at the moment, but yeah, it's beautiful. And I'm hopefully gonna get some more clothes and I'll show you them in a separate video. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick mention for this beautiful swimming costume for you all because you need to know about it. So I keep stopping and starting my full was so speaking actually, so sorry. But I keep stopping and starting time lapse because like I found just a little thing. So like my Red Bull top is there. So I found out my Red Bull top and like the first thing I ever wore when I went down to Wally's house. But I've cleaned the full wardrobe out now, and I've sorted out a keep and a bin. A lot more in the keep than the bin, let me say. But now I've got all this down here to sort out. There isn't actually too much, it's mainly DVDs, but I just want to organise it a bit. So if I angle you down, can you see? This is all the stuff that I'm gonna keep, and this is everything I'm getting rid of. And then there is an unsure pile with 2 things there. But yeah, it is, as you can see, it's mainly jumpers. But then this is down here, just to sort my tripod out. I need to start this, so I'm gonna do that. So this is the finished outcome of my video. This is everything I'm probably going to get rid of and send to charity. There's just a few bits that I haven't decided on yet. But yeah, there's just like jumpers, more jumpers, basic jumpers. And then my wardrobe is completely done. So I've just got like knitted stuff, got like knitted dresses, and then jumpers are all like really little here. Then normal dresses and just like miscellaneous. Also, like I said, this swimming costume is beautiful. If you'd like to get 25% off, make sure to use Lilly 25. Down here I just got some handbags, a makeup bag, and then all my F1 programs which are there. And I also found loads of old pictures, and then this from Abu Dhabi when Ollie went, he got me some lanyards and I found 3. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button and you like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all guys in the video hopefully on Monday. I'm aiming to upload every Monday and every Friday. So yeah, I'll see you all really soon. Make sure you stay safe. Follow me on my socials. Yeah, bye.